Up working on a Sunday. What's good, Hood Rich fam, man? It's your boy Hood Rich Credit back at it again with another fucking banger, y'all. Look, man, today we got a very special video for y'all today, man. Also, too, what I wanted to tell y'all, man, for the people that been interested in the clothing brand, trust me, it's coming. I got it. I got it coming, man. I'm telling you. I gotta have some few, finishing touches, man, with the website and all that shit, right, and the packaging, but it's coming. Most definitely coming. If you interested, y'all tap in with the Instagram HRC_apparel. Y'all go check it out. It will be in my Instagram bio, okay? If you want to check it out, go follow, okay? But look, y'all, man, today I wanted to break down how you can get a high limit swipe with PNC Bank on the business side. I did do a review on PNC Bank a good while ago, but I wanted to get in some more detail with the business swipes, man, just so y'all can have more options on what business swipes to apply for. Because PNC Bank is a very good institution, especially if you build a strong relationship with them. I'm telling you, you could get some major funding, okay? I recommend having a little relationship with them for like 3 to 6 months before you apply for a swipe, if you have patience. That's what I always recommend, right? Before you apply for some business swipes and you got good personal credit, make sure you line up the banks you are going to apply for, right? Like PNC Bank, Chase, all that, right? And make sure you fit the application rules because each institution has application rules, okay? So yeah, build a relationship for a couple months while your personal credit is already in good shape, right? Have deposits going in the checking account with all institutions, not only PNC Bank, before you apply for some business swipes, just so you can have a higher chance of approval and a higher credit limit, okay? But look, y'all, I broke down some specific data points with PNC Bank so y'all can understand before y'all try to get some funding with them, right? So first of all, with PNC Bank, you could get a business swipe with no Paydex score established, right? None of that business credit, get them fleet cards, right? Get nav, all that. You don't need that, bro. I'm telling y'all, I always preach this to y'all, right? The only thing that a lot of people worry about with PG swipes is that the account will report to their personal credit, but that's only going to report if you default on that swipe. And most of y'all leveraging these swipes, y'all gonna make a return off y'all investment, so y'all don't got to worry about that, right? PG is the way to go. Good personal credit, that's all you need. You don't need to go through the hassle of building your Paydex score and spending a lot of money. And sometimes, them net 30s, they won't even report. So I'm telling y'all, man, PG is the way to go. It's fast and simple, okay? You only focus on your personal credit. You should only focus on your personal credit, if I'm being honest with you, man. Protect it and, just PG for some business swipes. That's how you run it up. Don't worry, the business swipes won't report to your personal credit, so that utilization won't affect you. There it is, okay? Just make sure your business looks professional on paper. On paper. God damn, I sound like a little kid. On paper, by having your biz, phone, email, all that, right? 411 listing. You want to have all that before you apply for some business swipes, just so you can look more professional to the lender. You get what I'm saying? Like your phone number, you have a professional 1-800 toll-free number. You can get that with freedomvoice.com. You got your LLC filed with Inc. file. You look professional. You got a good business name, right? You don't got credit, financial, real estate in your name. It's like a consultant LLC. Then you come off more credible to the lender, right? You're not a high risk business. Like I said, you got your EIN, your business phone number, your business email address, your business website, all that, right? Your 411 listing, Duns and Brad. Even though you don't really need your Duns and Brad for this swipe, but it's always good to have it, right? So I'm telling y'all, if you look professional in the lender's eyes and you got good personal credit, you are ready to apply for some business funding. You get a high limit swipe with PNC Bank, and on top of that, imagine you having that relationship built with them. Now your approval odds and your chances of getting a high credit limit, 10K plus on the business side, is very high. I'm telling y'all, man. So that's the way to go, okay? Also, what else did I write down? To get approved, all you need is good personal credit. Obviously, like I broke down, this approval will be no doc. So with PNC Bank, they're not gonna ask for income verification, no docs, okay? So you don't gotta worry about that with PNC Bank. Most major institutions, they're not gonna ask for your documentation. That typically only happens with credit unions, since they're like smaller institutions. But with major banks, man, PNC Bank is kind of in there. It's like a mid bank, kind of major. You get what I'm saying? Depending what area you in, you see a lot of institutions, PNC Bank institutions. But yeah, man, they're not gonna ask for docs, so you don't gotta worry about that. It's a good swipe. All you need, good personal credit, and I recommend having your business looking professional on paper, and that's all you need, bro. Okay, don't let these people, these credit gurus, all these other people tell you, oh, you need to build your business credit to get approved for these business swipes. Okay, that is a lie. And also, too, PNC Bank for data points, they will be pulling your Experian credit report. Most lenders will be pulling your Experian. That's why I always tell y'all on this channel, your Experian credit report has to be up to date, up to par. It has to be very well protected, very good shape. So focus on your Experian, right? And if you have a lot of inquiries, most of y'all have a lot of inquiries on your report, you could get those inquiries sweep, especially recent inquiries. Like, let's say you've applied for some swipes and you got denied, right? And I'm telling y'all, recent inquiries look bad on your report because you look like you thirsty for credit, right? Especially if it's not attached to an open account. So you look like you thirsty. So you could get them removed with the 24-hour hard inquiry play with Experian. With TransUnion and Equifax, it is a little more difficult. You get what I'm saying? You got to send out them actual template letters. But with Experian, you could do it on the phone, right? You could get connected to the fraud department. Y'all know the 24-hour hard inquiry play. I'm not going to get into too much detail with that. But yeah, man. Just make your Experian look pretty on paper, man. Have it, a solid score, the good credit profile, and you straight, man. I think that's basically it with PNC Bank. This is how you get a higher limit with PNC and with any other institution, man. I broke down the simple data points, man. Good personal credit, your LLC, if you have an LLC, right, or whatever business you open, to make it look pretty on paper. And also, too, if you can, build that relationship, okay? Line up your banks, man. So that's basically it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, Hood Rich fam. I'm telling y'all, I got some major bangers coming up, man. Y'all be ready. I just had to get everything in line, everything in motion with the clothing brand. I have had a lot of shit going on, man, with connections, business meetings, man. It's just a lot of shit on the table that I haven't really had time to be, making some major content. You get what I'm saying? But it's coming, I'm telling y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all have a good day the Hood Rich way. Gone.